Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we come again, once again a Christmas craft video. Today I'm going to show you some super easy, budget friendly and fun Christmas craft ideas that you can try at home. These are perfect for decorating your house, keeping kids engaged, or even making thoughtful handmade gifts. So grab your craft supplies and let's get started. Part 1 is ice cream sticks craft. Our first idea is a simple and beautiful craft using ice cream sticks. All you need are a few sticks, some glue, glitters, and teeny beads and sequins. First, take 3 sticks and from a triangle shape, glue the ends together and let it dry for moments. Now decorate it with glitter, small beads or little star. You can hang these on your Christmas tree wall or even use it a festive garland. It's look adorable and super fun for kids to make too. It's quick, creative and adds a handmade charms to your decoration. Part 2 is felt fabric ornaments. Let's move on to something soft and cozy. Felt fabrics ornaments. With felt you can cut out shapes like hearts, stars, snowmen or even Santa hats. Take two pieces of the same shape, place them together and sew along the edges before you finish sewing. Add a little cotton inside to make it fluffy. Finally attach a ribbon on top so you can hang it easily. These soft ornaments look lovely on the trees and they also make great handmade gifts for friends and family. Plus is a perfect activity for kids to learn basic swings. Now for a rustic and eco-friendly touch, let's use the jute or burlap fabric. You can cut circles and star out of burlap and decorate them with lace, buttons or small wooden beads. Another great idea is to make teeny wreath. Just wrap jute twins around a cardboard rings and decorate with red ribbon and pine cones. These rustic ornaments give you Christmas decor a warm, cozy farmhouse vibe. Perfect if you love natural and simple designs. Button craft ornaments. Here is really fun. One button craft. Collect some old button of different sizes and color. Arrange them in a Christmas tree shapes or a piece of felt or cardboard. Then glue them in place. You can also stack green buttons from large to small to make a 3D Christmas tree and yellow or gold button on top as the star. These button crafts are not only budget friendly but also a great way to recycle and they look so cheerful when hang on the tree. And that is for today Christmas craft ideas. We made ice cream sticks, trees of well ornaments, rustic jute decoration and cheerful button crafts. Each one is simple, creative and perfect for adding that handmade magic to your holiday season. So which one was your favorite? Let's make now the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more festive DIY video. Until next time, happy crafting and Merry Christmas. If you like our channel, so please must subscribe and must share your thoughts, your comments, valuable for us. We will work on it and update next video according to your suggestions. If you wanna see some tutorials, so please must visit our channel. There is lots of homemade tutorials for upcoming Christmas event. and your holiday events. We hope you like the video. So see you again on the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.